My name is Lori Fuentes. This is for spring 2017. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic for this presentation. I chose to evaluate the SC Lee Junior High School Library's website. I will first address the stakeholders. The calendar with schedule provides the principal a clear picture of what is happening in the library. It also allows them to plan accordingly. It's a reference they can go to for planning a meeting in the library or scheduling a meeting with the librarian. Castro 2010 states that librarians should be proactive in meeting with the principal. Empowering Learners 2009 stresses that the school librarian should collaborate with a core team of classroom teachers and specialists to design, implement, and evaluate inquiry lessons and units, page 38. The Invisible Web Subscription Resources is a one-stop, handy reference for classroom and specialist teachers to use when they're planning a lesson or project. They can click on BrainPop to find intros and quizzes for many lesson topics. Students are able to click on the Destiny Library Catalog 24/7 to view the catalog. They can scroll down to ebooks and audiobooks and select one to download. This feature shows the school librarian is creating an environment where independent reading is valued, promoted, and encouraged, as stated by Empowering Learners 2009, page 21. Parents and families can use the recommended bookshelf and go to sites such as Teen Reads so they can be actively involved in their students' critical literacy. According to Empowering Learners 2009, this provides opportunities to involve caregivers, parents, and other family members in reading, page 21. For the community, I didn't find anything. I thought it might be helpful to add a link to the Copper's Cove Public Library. Empowering Learners 2009 states that librarians should form partnerships with the local and global community to promote student learning, page 41. Now for the 5 roles of the school librarian. The leader role is demonstrated by the Forms and Surveys link. The librarian is showing they take teacher input when considering library sources and activities. According to Empowering Learners 2009, this shows that the librarian is attempting to create an environment that is conducive to active and participatory learning, resource-based learning, and collaboration with teaching staff, page 45. For the instructional partner role, collaboration is demonstrated with the research project LibGuides that leads to teacher resources. A lot of information is listed here, but I thought this statement showed instructional partner qualities. We want to help you plan a lesson or co-teach a research or project-based learning activity. Let us know how we can help. This clearly shows that the librarian, as stated in Empowering Learners 2009, creates an environment of mutual respect and collaboration in which all staff members work toward the common goal of student learning, page 32. By conveying copyright information to teachers and students, the school librarian is being an information specialist. 9 helpful sites are listed under copyright information, including copyright and plagiarism guidelines for students. Empowering Learners 2009 states that the school librarian will embed key concepts of legal, ethical, and social responsibilities in accessing, using, and creating information in various formats, page 23. Empowering Learners 2009 states that the school librarian should encourage the use of multiple formats to present data and information in compelled and useful ways, page 23. In the teacher role, the librarian has a library link symbol that leads to student project tools. This has many helpful resources, such as Storyboard That, where students can create their own storyboards for a variety of assignments and projects. According to Empowering Learners 2009, The school librarian should foster an atmosphere of respect and rapport between the school librarian and all members of the learning community to encourage student learning and to promote teacher enthusiasm and participation. Page 45. I felt that the mission statement of the library demonstrates the role of program administrator. The mission of the CCISD library program is to ensure that all members of our diverse learning community use and create information in an effective and ethical manner. We will accomplish this by supporting the curriculum with a variety of resources, engaging programs, literacy promotion, thus cultivating lifelong learning. One strength of this school's library's website is the link to the Texas Bluebonnet books. If you hover over a cover, it gives a summary and video preview of the book. According to Empowering Learners 2009, this motivates learners to read fiction and nonfiction through reading aloud, book talking, displays, exposure to authors, and other means. Page 21.
John Roy Lynch had an Irish father and an enslaved mother. By the law of the South before the Civil War, that made him half Irish and all slave.
Another strength of this library website is the symbol of bookmarks that organizes the library website links. This makes it easier for patrons to access the library's programs, such as research resources. According to Empowering Learners 2009, this encourages the use of multiple formats to present data and information in compelling and useful ways, while also integrating the use of state-of-the-art and emerging technologies as a means for effective and creative learning. Page 23. I would say that the weakness of this school library's website is the lack of current events. Yes, there is a calendar link to click on. However, I think there should be some type of announcement feature on the home page. It would also add visual appeal. It would also support, as stated in Empowering Learners 2009, that the librarian is a visible and active leader within the school community. Page 45. Here is my reference page, and thank you for watching.